Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm going to prepare one of my favorite dishes and a lot of Jamaicans' favorite dishes, curry chicken with rice and peas. All right, this I'm preparing for my Sunday dinner. All right, so what I want you to do is enjoy, like, share, and subscribe, and tell me what you think. All right, I'm going to do it a bit different today because what I'm going to do, my curry is already pre-seasoned because you can get them at the supermarket. I got it at Progressive Portmore pre-packaged, but I'm going to show you how it looked. All right, but I'm still going to cut up my seasoning and do it the way how I like it. All right, so let's go. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm putting my red peas in my pot. So I'm gonna let that boil until it's soft and ready for the rest of the seasoning and the rice. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna get my herbs ready and I'm gonna get my veggies ready. Getting my string bean ready by cutting off the edges so they can be washed. My lettuce now are washed, so what I'm gonna do, I'm taking them out and putting them into a container so I can get ready to shred them. Now what I'm doing, I'm slicing my cucumber to put in my lettuce. Here I'm cutting up my seasoning with Irish potato to put with my curry chicken. Alright guys, this is what I was talking to you about in the beginning of my vlog, where I got my pre-seasoned curry from the supermarket. You can get it at any supermarket. I got mine at Progressive. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is putting my curry chicken in my pot that is ready so it can start the process of cooking. The peas is now ready, as well as my string bean. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the string bean from the stove, strain it in the strainer, and take them out and put them in a plastic container. I'm stirring my curry right now to make sure that it's evenly cooked before I add water to my curry. Guys, I know you didn't see me put coconut milk in the rice pot with the peas, but I did it before, so I'm just letting you guys know. Alright, so now what I'm going to do now is I'm about to wash my rice. Alright, giving the curry a final stir, because what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to add water to it now so it can cook properly. As you can see right here, guys, I am washing my rice thoroughly. It's very important that you wash your rice properly before you add it to your peas. Here it is, guys. I'm adding my rice now to the peas, making sure that all the rice is out in the pot. Just look at that. We're getting there step by step, guys. Just adding some water to the container to make sure that all the rice is out, and then give the pot a good stir, cover it, and let it just cook. Alright guys, what I'm doing right now is stirring the pot to make sure that everything is okay with the chicken before I start adding my seasoning and spices to the curry. Just look at that, guys. The rice and peas is coming together nicely. What I'm doing right now, I'm just stirring up the rice so the rice at the bottom doesn't get burned. Just look at that curry chicken, guys, coming along so nicely. Can't wait to get a bite. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do a taste test to see if the taste is just right, just the way I like it. To top it off, I'm gonna add some breadcrumbs to my gravy to give it that little bit of thickness that I like. Some people like to use cornstarch. That's okay. I like to use the natural stuff, breadcrumbs. Giving the curry a final stir, because now the curry is ready. Now the final check on the rice and peas. Just look at that, guys. Just look at that. The rice and peas is now ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the final product and the presentation of my home style pre-seasoned curried chicken with rice and peas. And here it is, guys, the final product and presentation of my home style pre-seasoned curried chicken with rice and peas. Give me a comment down below and tell me what you think. But remember, like, share and subscribe also, and turn on your notification bell to make sure that you don't miss no video that I upload. See you on another vlog. Be blessed.